Al Shifa College of Nursing. The word too rings a ton of memory lane, right? The word Al Shifa depicts care, recovery, and medicament. Al Shifa College of Nursing, Perindalmanna, have started its functioning in the golden year 2002 with a viewpoint to prepare nurse competent in providing comprehensive nursing care based on scientific principles so as to meet the increasing needs of the country. Al Shifa College of Nursing aims to prepare the next generation with full compatibility in order to provide service to the needy. Al Shifa is not just an ordinary medical institute, they have a much further viewpoint to make the world a better place.
In line with our tradition of introducing high quality, career-oriented programs, it is indeed a great pleasure to announce the setting up of Al Shifa College of Nursing with its BSc Nursing, Post-Basic BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing programs. Never in the history of healthcare have nurses had such a wide opportunities and improved prospects. Our college aims to create leaders in the nursing profession by providing unique, innovative programs that are responsive to current trends, keeping in mind the rapid advances in the healthcare sector in India as well as abroad.
Shifa College of Nursing was established in the year 2002 and now it has gone to a distinguished institution due to its infrastructure facility, training in an established accredited hospital, strong alumni to help the alumni brothers and sisters to get employed in India and overseas. All the students are assured best training and care here, and we are preparing them to face the modern challenges in a competitive employment area.
Our college is located at the hospital city with its high standard of excellence and a welcoming climate. Our commitment to quality and excellence guides our actions. Our state-of-art simulation laboratory, innovative teaching strategies, and committed faculty provide our students with good opportunity and environment to enhance skills and professional development.
Al Shifa, the place where the future blossoms bloom.
Al Shifa College of Nursing is one of the pioneer institutions in Kerala, and here we have BS Nursing, Post-Basic BS Nursing and MS Nursing program. As you know, nursing profession is a noble profession and nurses are unique personalities because they are soft enough to handle the people and strong enough to handle the problem. And welcome to Al Shifa College of Nursing.
Teachers are the leaders all day. They lead by examples in the way they act, speak and behave. Al Shifa College of Nursing have a good team of faculty members who works together, acknowledge and use each other's strength and talents and allow and encourage individuality. Al Shifa College of Nursing has an excellent infrastructure with classrooms where the students are digitally connected with the use of innovative and active teaching learning strategies that enhance their satisfaction. Nursing educator who incorporates the use of active teaching learning strategies in the classroom and clinical setting can effectively provide positive change in the learning process. Nursing Foundation Lab is one which makes the imagination of hospital setup and students can study the procedures with the help of clinical instructors. It is well furnished with all the necessary equipments like patient bed mattresses, bed sheets, bedside lockers, cardiac table, bed cradle, wheelchairs, stretchers, emergency medicines, emergency equipment such as oxygen cylinder with flow meter and suction apparatus. The lab also has advanced medical equipment such as CPR, simulation training mannequins. Nursing field is highly competitive and its strength is flying to reach out the modern technologies. It is mandatory to develop basic understanding of use of computer and its application in nursing. Nutrition lab is equipped and well furnished with utensils and nutritional charts. This is a kitchen to our knowledge about nutrition. Here, the students learn to assess the nutritional needs and caloric requirements of different age groups and patients with various diseases. If you hear, you forget. If you see, you may forget. If you feel, you will not forget. Yes, here is the anatomy lab with excellent infrastructure. Students get the basis of deeper understanding of human body with the help of articulated skeleton, torso, various bones, models of different organs, charts, and also preserved specimens. Students are given opportunities to learn about the services available to promote and maintain health and welfare of the healthy as well as a sick child. The Child Health Nursing Lab is equipped adequately with needed facilities such as automatic child CPR mannequin and play materials for different age groups. The lab is designed to help the students to learn about physiology of pregnancy, labor, puerperium, and related procedures. The students are directed to acquire sufficient knowledge and skill in rendering quality of care to women in reproductive age group with special emphasis on prenatal, natal and postnatal period, as well as to identify and care women suffering from gynecological disorders. The midwifery and gynecological laboratory is equipped with delivery mannequin, adequate number of models and specimens to improve the psychomotor skills of the students. It is a higher order lab with miniature ICU setup. It has all advanced equipment such as ventilators, dialysis machines and various kinds of monitors. Each nurse is ready to serve people at their doorsteps through the outreach activities of community health nursing. Care will not be sufficient if it is provided only on hospitals. The CHN lab consists of all the equipments for providing the basic care in terms of primary health care. It is equipped with various AV aids, which is helpful in teaching learning process. The college has a spacious library with a vast collection of books, manuals and internet facilities for students and staff. The library subscribes e-journals, health magazines and periodicals. The library is also equipped with computer and internet facilities to access the e-journals and e-books. The library has an international coverage which is aided through the membership in Delnet. Al-Shifa College of Nursing is facilitated with spacious and magnificent seminar hall, central auditorium, exam hall and special rooms for NSS, SSGP and IQAC. The college also has various clubs and cells such as Health Club, Red Ribbon Club, Sports Club, Alumni Association, Literature Club, Women Empowerment Cell, Career Guidance and Placement Cell, Anti-Ragging Committee, SSGP, NSS, Nature Club, Culture Club, Journal Club and COVID Jagrata Committee. The college has an editorial board which intends for quarterly newsletter. Phoenix Review.